Hey wonderful people, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm sharing one of the easiest ways you can move to Finland without needing a job offer. Now this pathway is open right now and the clock is ticking like in the next 24 hours. So if you've been dreaming of studying abroad in Europe, this might just be a golden chance you've been waiting for. Now, here is why this pathway is unique. You don't need a job offer to apply. There is no strict age limit. You can even move with your dependents. And with this joint application system, you can apply to up to 6 different programs with just one application form. That's right. So one single form, 6 opportunities. This massively increases the chances of getting accepted. Okay, so if you've been thinking of studying in Finland, the deadline is literally tomorrow, September 11th. Now, this is your last chance to apply for the upcoming intake. And in this video, I'll walk you through tuition costs, the requirements, how to apply, and what documents you need. So even if you're watching after the deadline, don't worry. I'll also show you how to prepare for the next application round. So this video will still save you a whole lot of time and stress. Why should you even relocate to Finland? Why should you choose Finland? Why should you care about Finland? Finland is one of the best countries in Europe right now for international students because tuition is a little bit affordable because they can waive a lot of fees. For example, you are likely to get possible scholarships and tuition waiver depending on the program and the university. So tuition is affordable compared to countries like the UK or US. And again, many degree programs are taught in English. You also get the chance to work while studying, and after graduation, you can also transition into work and even residency pathways. So for example, some universities have tuition fees starting from 6,000. You might find a little bit lower than that per year, which is far lower than most European countries. So that's why so many students are rushing to submit before this deadline. Okay. Now, what are the documents you need to apply? You need a valid passport, at least 6 to 12 months validity. Then you would be needing your educational certificates. That could be your high school certificate and then your bachelor's degree certificate, depending on the program you're going for. And then your academic transcripts, okay? And then an academic CV as well, a motivational letter explaining why you're applying if required. And then in some cases, you would also need an English language test result like IELTS. This depends on the program and your country of origin. All right. Now, the good news is that some universities may waive the English test if you studied previously in English or if the program accepts an alternative proof of proficiency. All right. Now, let's get right into the step-by-step process on how to apply. What we have to do first on my screen, as you can see, you have to go to Studyinfo.fi. Now, this is the official portal for all higher education applications in Finland. This is where you have to do everything that has to do with your application process. Now, on the home page, you filter by education type, and then you select either bachelor's, master's, or PhD or vocational, and then your study program, which is the one starting in autumn 2025, if you want to study in 2026, because, of course, you're not studying in September. So this is for your program starting in 2026, right? So you are selecting study program starting in autumn for autumn 2025. Okay, now you see a list of all the programs currently accepting applications. You have to scroll through and explore the details of each course. On this filter as well, you also have to select the language of instruction, which is English, to make it easier for you to search for the programs you want. This website is self-explanatory. It can be a little bit complex, but it shows you the steps on how to go about everything step by step. Okay, so after scrolling through and you're done exploring the details of each of the courses you feel you're interested in, then you click on the programs that interest you. You'll find, of course, information about the tuition fees, possible scholarships, course structure, and even career opportunities after graduation. So once you're ready, click fill in the application form, just as we did now. You click in fill in the application form. You create an account. Of course, you can create an account, or if you don't have one, you continue without logging in, and then upload your documents and submit your application. Now, remember, With one application, you can choose up to 6 different programs, either in the same university or across different universities. That's the power of the joint application system. So it is straightforward, but the key is submitting before the deadline, because missing it means you'll have to wait for the next round, but then there is no problem. At least you already know how the system works and how the procedure is all about. Okay, so now remember, when you are choosing your programs, you have to select your programs in your order of preference. For example, if you want to go for a master's in automotive science, right, or master's of whatever it is, whichever one you want to go for, let's say agricultural science or masters in laboratory technology science, you have, if this is your most preferred choice of program, you have to select this as the number 1, and then followed by your second most preferred choice and the third up until the 6th. Okay, all right, so that is that on that. Okay, now again, maybe you're watching this after September 11th and you are thinking, oh no, I missed it. Don't panic. Finland usually has 2 main intakes. So one is in January, another in autumn around September, which is by this time. Usually application always opens from the 1st of September until the 11th. So always mark your calendars. If you missed it this year, you can always tick your calendars, okay? So there is one in January. So if you miss this one, there is another one opening in January and then another one opening in September. Most times the joint application usually opens up in September. Separate applications will be coming up in January. So still, you can apply for whichever one suits you. But again, before I forget, application fee is €100, okay? So you have to pay an application fee of €100, but then this application fee is okay because you get to choose different programs, at least 6 programs at 6 different universities. So this same application fee covers all of the applications, so you're not losing anything. Okay, so even if a school doesn't accept you, another school would accept you. Now this will depend on your order of preference again. So this is the form here. Again, it says everything about the application fee, just as I've explained. Now for the tuition fee, make sure you've checked for the tuition fee for the program you're going for. Okay, check if they have scholarships available. Check if it's the one that states that there is no tuition fee required. There are options as that as well. Check if they also waiver tuition for the program you're going for from the particular university. Okay, so now go through everything and select the one that concerns you. Okay, so once you are done, you have to give permissions to all of agreeing to the terms and conditions for them to access and process your documents. Okay, so guys, I believe I've covered everything about this. If you have any questions in the comments, do not hesitate to send me a message on my either Instagram, and then you can also join to be the member of this platform where we share vital information. Remember to support this channel as well by being a member. Joining the membership as well can support. And let me know how best you would want me to assist you. If you have any other questions, just put them in the comments. Okay, now these are other courses you can see. Just go take your time, scroll down. You don't have much time, but at least this video would serve as a guide to help you with the application. Okay, so the filters are there to help you narrow down the options you need to make the application process smoother and faster. So then that will be all finally from today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to share this video to those. So my advice is, if you're watching before September 11th, apply today. Don't wait until tomorrow night or tomorrow midnight. Look at the time. You have to apply until 3 p.m. UTC. So make sure, because Finland is 2 hours ahead of Nigeria. So make sure, if you're applying from anywhere, make sure you are following the time zone according to Finland's time zone. Okay, so guys, that is all. Okay, if you missed this round, use this time wisely to prepare. I'll be sharing more updates on affordable universities in Europe, scholarships, and step-by-step guides, so you won't miss other opportunities. So subscribe now, like this video, and share it with someone who needs it before it's too late. And that's all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.